Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Today's video is about will they commit you? Will they commit you? So that's all about the video. Will they commit you, and what would be like to be with them for entire relationship span? That means the entire time you were with them, what was your experience, or what they thought about you, or what was basically they thought about you, they think about you, they feel about you. So that's all about it. So will they commit you, and what would be like to be with them in a relationship? So that's all about it. This is a Pika card reading, and there are three choices. They are blue color monk, and this is orange color monk and brown color monk. Blue, orange and brown color monk. Those who are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for participating, growing my channel. I really love you all guys and your energies, and I believe you all are beautiful souls, beautiful kings and queens. About giveaway, there is a giveaway going on my channel. That's like I'm giving a free reading on every week. There are two people there would be two people who will be getting every week free reading. And you to participate, all you need to do, subscribe my channel. There would be a community page, and you have to write below to the community page post, and you also have to write below to my videos post. And once I would get all the comments, and I'll see, and I'll put their name, write down their name in one place, shuffle them and pray, and take two people's names. So whosoever's names comes on lottery, they are the winner for free reading. So this is after a long time. I was not well guys, so I'm making this English video after a long time, almost after 5 days. Let's see, and let's get started. If you want to know about me, I have put all my details, my background, my about me below to my description, like below to my video description box, that is in description box. You can see my education, my healing experience, my healing education, my certificates, my universities details, everything. Just for your introduction, I have 14 years experience in healing. That is Ushishui Reiki Master and Karuna Reiki Master from ULC Chicago, and I'm also a Kabbalah expert, and I'm a psychic medium. I do tarot card reading intuitively. That means whenever I do tarot card reading, I do it through spirit guidance. I have done my bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland, that is on divine spirituality. My field itself, like the one I am in, that field itself, and also that is from spiritual field, and I mean to say that is in spiritual field. And also I did my tarot reading. I learned my tarot reading from Academy of Tarot India. That is level 1, level 2 and level 3. I am practicing tarot since last 8 years, practicing healing since last 14 years. I am also a vision reader. If somebody passed away, somebody is missing for a long time, you can actually discuss with me. I can do vision reading. If someone wants to know about their past life, you also can know from vision reading. So that's all about it. Let's get started with blue color monk. So will they commit you? What would be like to spend time with them, or what is your relationship span? What would be like, how they feel? Will they commit you or not? They give you a very hard time. They give you very hard time. These energies are very different, very it's like grief, it's like mourning, it's like always thinking about a person who is not with you and who cannot be with you. So it's not a very positive energies here. I really don't think they will commit you. So those who choose this blue color monk, for them, you guys are in sun moon rising, definitely Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, and Aries, Leo and Sagi, and Cancer, Scorpio and Pisceans. What I'm seeing or what I'm hearing, there is a person, okay, so this person wears specs, and probably his name is like Raj, um, Mridul, Bhabesh, Vaibhav, Mayank, Nitin, Nitesh, and probably Nikhil. So these names are, in fact, Mitesh and Maitri. Somebody's name is Maitri. Okay, so these names are coming in front of my eyes. So there are like this person is like having a flirtatious nature where they cannot stay with one person for a long time. So they are definitely in third party situation, and they even want to fly with them, they want to travel with them, they go for lots of traveling with this third party. So probably this third party is like their secretary or something, or their colleague. They fly together some places, and they got into like they got into intimacy or intimate relationship. And then what happened suddenly, that you get to know, you were kind of very emotional towards them, you get to know that he or she is managing you, and another hand they are managing other person, and you were kind of, you felt like that you were something like they fooled you, and they were like just they were just like with other person. They did not have any kind of emotional feelings with you, and you thought that they will never commit you, and you choose to get out of their life. Somehow you had that thing in your mind, like you had some doubt in your mind that this person will definitely leave you in future, and you thought, okay, even they leave you in future, why not take a chance, because you were alone since quite a long time. I'm seeing your last breakup happen almost 2 years back or 1.5 years back, and then you were surviving alone, and you were struggling alone, and you had money, you had position, you had good job, and still you have good job, and you are doing good business, but you did not find that emotional support from anywhere. So when this person came and they started dating you, you thought this would be the one who can give you emotional support. But frankly speaking, this person is not bad, like he or she can give you emotional support. They are kind of your fatherly or motherly figure, but they, something happened, like something happened that they did wrong to you, like they cheated you. And why they cheated you? Because of this third person. They used to have lots of conversation going on with this third party. They used to go with this third party and have food, and traveling, lots of traveling outside of the country or outside of the city. So eventually they fell for this third party and they ignored you. When they ignored you, you get to know quickly, because your intuition power is quite high. Your intuition power is quite high though, so you get to know this guy is, or this man or woman is cheating me, and then you released them quickly. You did not waited for them, or you did not think that they are worth of waiting, and you were quite emotional though. You took a very strong decision. You guys are you have this names coming in my mind, starting or ending of this letter of your first or last letter of the name would be Q, E, L, S, N, H, A, R, W, T, C, and D, P. So this would be your first or last letter of the name. Some of you guys are born on 21st of the month, or probably 12th of the month, or 4th of the month, or 22nd of the month, or 2 or 20. Your birthday would be 2, 20 and 11. So that's what it is, 17, 13 and definitely 9, 27 and 18. So this would be your or your company and partner's lover's date of birth. So what happened there, like you healed yourself, you are an intuitive person, and also you have some psychic ability to heal yourself. So you release this person, you listen to your heart, you actually learned how to listen to your heart, or moreover how to listen to angel, how to listen to universe, and you build up a certain connection with this universe in down to the lane. I am seeing this person is definitely not willing to leave you. They somehow want they somehow want to come back to you. They somehow want to approach you for marriage in later stage. They definitely would think about it, but for now they are not going to commit you. They are not going to commit you, as if now they are not going to commit you, but they definitely come back to you saying that please get married with me, and that would not happen so soon. Let's see when that would happen. As if now, if we ask universe for 6 months, next 6 months, they will definitely not come back to you. Okay, so they are not going to come back to you for next 6 to 8 months. So they would be coming back to you after 8 months, and the commitment is coming on your way, but it would take at least 2 to 3 years from them. Like they are not going to commit you before 2 years, and they will come back to you after 6 to 8 months. So currently you guys are in totally no contact situation, and even you spy on him and he spy on you for funny things, or this is really funny, like you spy on them on Facebook or Instagram, they spy on you, but you both are not talking to each other, you both are not in talking terms. This person definitely thinks that you are beautiful, you are kind of very true soul, you are very kind hearted. They have that feelings. Somehow they could not avoid that situation what happened with their colleague in past. They went for that third party and they cheated you, and now since you are gone, somehow they miss you, but they are not going to come to you sooner, but they will come you in far future. Like I'm seeing probably 8 months down to the line. You have to wait for 8 months, and then they are coming back to you, and then you have to start all over again to gain their faith, and they will gain your trust, and altogether you will build some trustable relationship later stage, and after 2 to 3 years you will commit with this man or woman. So that's what it is. So this man is definitely positive about you, thinks about you a lot, miss you, but they are not going to commit you, as if now they are not going to commit you. So this is all about your reading. Those who choose blue color monk, let's see. For those who choose orange color monk, before that guys, I'm giving giveaway to my channel, that if you subscribe my channel and comments on the post I do every day, I post on community page and below to my video, then you would be eligible for free reading. I do lottery though, so if your name comes on lottery, then I'll definitely you are the winner and you can get free reading. Every week I'm giving them some 2%, sometimes it is 5%, sometimes it is 3%. You can ask any of this person who has posted their comments in the community centers, like Aura and then Usha, and these people I already did reading for them. Smriti, Fatima. You can ask them how to participate. All you need to do is like subscribe my channel and then go for it. If you are looking for personal reading, my personal reading number, like my WhatsApp number, is 9953214108. Let's get started with those who choose orange color, monk. Will they commit to you? Yes, definitely, yes, they will commit to you. But again, there is a third party who will come in between you guys, and they will he or she will spoil your relationship, and definitely you will suffer in silence, and somebody will feel like your lover has backstabbed you. Definitely third party is there in this process, but after November, month of November, or I'm seeing February 2021, this man or woman is going to realize that you are the one for them, not the third party, not that third party. Definitely they will have some conflicts with third party, and they will go out of this person. Definitely they will go out of this person. They're coming to you. This card should be there. They would be coming to you. You are basically very kind hearted and helpful, moreover a friend to them, but you have this bad luck always on, like you don't get whosoever you love. So that is kind of your past life karma which you are suffering now. I'm seeing you guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Libra, Aquarian and Gemini, and Aries, Leo and Saggy, and Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Libra, Aquarian and Gemini, and Aries, Leo and Saggy. Now I'm seeing some of you guys are using too many of green color dresses, like you love either green or blue in color, so you have lots of dresses in wardrobe which is blue or green color. Now some of you people are working in army or police or legal department. Some of you guys are in IT field, and some of you people are in creative field, like you are music director, dancer or singer or artist. Some form of creativity, some form of creative work you do. So here you are, basically you are falling back in this relationship. You failed to gain them, like you failed to get them in your aura. They left you because of some third party, but definitely this third party is not going to stay back with them forever. There would be lots of conflicts, and this person, this man or woman, will leave them and come to you for always, forever. They will come back to you, they will leave them. So the third party is not going to stay for long. You are going to get justice in your life. So this person basically very possessive about you. They love you truly from heart, but yes, they have something with this third party, some karmic relationship, so they could not avoid this third party, and they got more attracted towards third party. They felt that intense connection with this third party just because of this karma, because karma sometimes acts like as if the other person is true soulmate. But when this karma chakra is over, they get to know that they were in a karmic relationship, and that was all about suffering. So that is what happening with them. They are, if you think that they are lucky to have you and the other girl or other man, so you are wrong, because they are not lucky to have you and the other men. That is kind of their suffering. So karma is actually doing something where they left their beloved one. You are their beloved one, you are their strength, and they left their strength and they went for somebody who is basically not even their true soulmate, or not even their past soulmate. They are, that person is their karmic relationship. Your names starts with V, A, N, S, T, R, J, C, M, D, and your numbers, your companion or boyfriend, girlfriend, partner's number, date of birth would be something like 11 and 17, and number 5, 23 and 14, number 4, 22 and 13, number 3, 21 and 12, and number 2, 20, 28, 19, and number 10 and 1. So within these numbers, so I'm seeing that they have made a wrong choice. This is the wrong choice, totally a wrong choice for them. This person is their karmic, and you are their true soulmate. So they would definitely get to know sooner or later, and they will come back to you. Looks like February 2021 they will come back to you, and they will realize that you are their true soulmate, not the other person. Anyway, so this is all about it. Will they commit you? Definitely they are going to commit you, but for now you just have to slow down. You don't have to think that they are committing you now, but definitely on 2021 November 2022 December February 2021 they are coming back to you to offer you true love, and they will realize that you are their true love. You did lots for them. Anyway, so here this reading ends, or reading completes. Guys, those who choose those who wish to get personal reading for me, for them my WhatsApp number is 9953214108. My email ID futurelove2218@gmail.com, and my Instagram is 888futurereading. You can DM me on Instagram. Oh wow, I'm just getting some vision, so let me see. Okay, so guys, this person, this third party, sorry, not third party, I am talking about third party too much. You and he or she both are true soulmate coming from past life, twin flame, twin soul. Will he or she commit to you? Yes, yes, and yes. 10 of Cups. They are definitely coming back to you. There were some secret things going on in between him and you, or in between her and you, but that thing he or she will reveal their own, and definitely you both are getting married to each other very soon. Dating, like you are going to date some 2.5 months to 3 months. You both will date with each other, and everything will be fine. There were some secret, and there were some even there is some there were some negative energy in aura, so probably some spell or some black magic things happened, so you both got separated, and you were also not well. You were suffering, you had some physical suffering, and you had some mental suffering. So you were physically ill or mentally, I mean to say you are physically unwell or mentally stressed for a long time, but now you have come out of this, and because this man or woman, nobody can separate from you. They're your twin flame, twin soul. They are your true soulmate coming from past life. So now probably you and they are into some business. You both do some business together, or you both have some work together. So probably you are working in same company, or you are doing business together, and things will be okay. Now you are in separation, but things would be okay later on. These things would be all right, and they will return to you, and they will definitely yes and yes they will marry you. You guys are in Sun, Moon, Rising, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. definitely Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and Virgo. Virgo's energy is there, and I'm seeing Aquarius energy is there, Libra energy is there, and Aries and Leo energy. So these are your zodiac sign. Your names first, your last letter of the name would be R, V, T, M, A, C, D, B, G, K. This would be your first, this would be your or your partner's first or last letter of the name. M and N, W, R, Q, Y. So this would be your first or last letter of the name. It could be H also, it could be A also. So just see whosoever's things are matching. And I'm seeing you guys are working for some financial or banking company and earning good handsome salary, and also some of you guys are basically planning to go to abroad and for higher study. Some of you people wear red colored dresses a lot. Your favorite color is red. And some of you guys are basically fashion model or fashion designer, or doing something related with fashion field. Wow, so you guys are getting married. What else means? I don't know what to say, because whatever happened, that was like kind of a mystery until he or she will come and reveal to you. And I am also unable to tell you what kind of mystery is this, because he or she hide something from you, probably something about family, something about their past relationship, and now they are coming back to you and saying that they want to marry you. They would definitely commit you, but current situation is like no contact, totally no contact situation. But they are your true soulmate, coming from your past birth, twin flame, twin soul. So they would definitely marry you. Marriage is there. Probably you will get married by next year October, or next year October or September. September, October, November. So this would be the time you will get married with. But definitely yes, and yes, they will commit you. They love you, and they actually they like to see you happy, and they wanted to marry you earlier also, but there something happened, probably some black magic, some negative energy, some spell, and they will clarify you. They will come back to you. They will return to you after some times, like probably something like 2.5 months, 3 months, and they will tell you what exactly, why they left you, what exactly happened there. So when you will get to know, you will forgive them, and you both will be together forever, like you would decide to get married with each other. So dating is like in dating, you are going to date them very soon. 2.5 months down to the lane, you are going to date them. So that's all about this reading. Hopefully you liked my reading, and please participate in giveaway and contact me for personal reading. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day. God bless you. Take care.